This is the way to tie up the Omani turban. We shape it like in a triangle shape. Okay, we hold the two angles on the side. We take the third in the back. We check how long we want it in the back. Then we gather it, put it on the forehead, do a twist. One side around, keep it like this, take the other side, and it should be in layers. And stick this in here. The twist should be in front of the ear or on the back of the ear, depending on the style and the region in the country. So after doing this, take the second one, and put the third layer. And normally it requires a mirror to make it looking good.
Magnificent. Thank you.